here's something that I hope will make the Hobo houseboat more livable, sleepable at night when we're out. And we need ventilation. It's kind of, you know, warm in here sometimes at night if we're sleeping in the forward cabin area. And we have to worry about mosquitoes when you anchor in some weedy bay. What I did was first of all, this is a slider, and I made a cardboard template that would fit into the window track. And with that cardboard template, I used to cut some fiberglass reinforced plastic material, sheet material. It's 90 thousandths of an inch thick, and I cut the appropriate notches to help it fit in place. We've got used or old window screen, not used or old, but rather left over, and Gorilla Tape is holding it on, and some hot glue is helping just hold it in place as well. So the key to this fitting is that it is flexible, and oh, did I mention there's thick foam on the back that will help seal to this window, which is offset a bit from that. It's back a bit. So we'll put it in the bottom track, put it in here, that clears the handle, this clears here, pop it in, slide it over, and we can close the window a little bit more to get a better seal. The only thing that I might do is put some 1/8 foam along the edge to help seal it better around the edges. But I hope this keeps the mosquitoes out and yet gives us a little bit more ventilation here, and hopefully we'll have cooler nights here on the Erie Hobo.